Sixth grade students from Carmel Del Mar Elementary School recently got what for most of them was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to participate in a real earthquake safety experiment at UC San Diego. These students were part of a group of 1,100 5th and 6th graders in the Escondido and Del Mar schools participating in a challenging earthquake safety competition during March 2007.
We try to make all the learning that takes place in the classroom relevant to kids. Oftentimes they'll say to us, why are we studying this? Why do we need to understand earthquakes? And this is a realistic project that puts that all into perspective.
The competition was conducted on one of the largest and only outdoor shake tables in the world. The National Science Foundation funded facility is located at the Jacobs School of Engineering's Englekirk Structural Engineering Center, which is 8 miles east of the UCSD campus.
Part of 6th grade earth science standards has to do with studying earthquakes. And in addition to that, they also learn about structures. And so it was just perfectly matched with what we're teaching in the classroom to make this a real experience for kids.
What do you think? The students designed and built structures about the size of bird cages to meet criteria that tested their ability to think just like engineers.
Well, our structure, the reason that we built it like this was because it had a strong, sturdy base, and then the tower was not only for aesthetics, but it was flexible, and then these help hold this tower up, and so it doesn't fall over during an earthquake. And then we have vertical supports. We also have horizontal supports.
So why did you decide to put a brace down at the bottom?
We decided to put a brace down at the bottom because the brace would help if there was liquefaction, and so it would help make sure the building stayed sturdy on the ground without having to sink. And it also, it's kind of the core of the building is the bottom, so it needs to be there so that it can stay sturdy.
Engineers placed the colorful structures within a miniature model city built on an exceptionally shaky foundation. The excitement level rose in the seconds leading up to the big shake.
The tower definitely would have been dangerous as a real building, but the base stayed pretty sturdy, and so that one looked safer than the other one. The base was definitely safer.
Even though many of the students' designs toppled and crumpled, just like real buildings sometimes do during seismic shaking, these students of San Diego County have successfully made a connection between science and math and how those subjects can help solve real-world problems.
Hopefully these will be future engineers and obviously future home buyers or builders themselves, and now they understand what goes into providing an opportunity to design a plan that maybe would be selected to be, purchased and built.